This short video shows you how to create a projection view of the 3D object. Go to Layout 1 tab below, then remove the Layout viewport. Then go to the Layout tab above, select the base, and select from Model Space. Click on the desired position of the drawing, then select Orientation. Select the left side view, then press the Enter key. Move the mouse upward, it will show you the top view of the drawing, then click on the mouse. Move the mouse diagonal, it will show you the isometric view of the drawing, then click on the mouse. Then move the mouse to the right, it will show you the front view of the drawing, then click on the mouse. When 4 views are shown, press the Enter key. Now you have created a projection view of your 3D drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.